Hi, Snare Drums. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we're working on the song Mount Rushmore March by John Edmondson. This piece is in 2/4 time. That means that there's 2 beats or 2 counts in each measure. We'll be playing the snare drum part today, but there is a bass drum part and a crash cymbal part written in our music. Make sure that you practice those parts too, so that when you can play with a band, you are able to play the crash cymbal or the bass drum part as well as the snare drum part. Let's get started and play the first line of this song, or the introduction. I've got my metronome set at 100 beats per minute, but the tempo of this song is 112. We'll take it a little bit slower so that we can review it with accuracy. Here we go, beginning. 1, 2, ready, drum. Great. Be sure to put in the flams where it's indicated. Let's do that again. 1, 2, beginning, ready, set, drum. Great. Now we'll start at measure 9. And from measure 9, we're going to go back down to measure 41. So starting in measure 9, counting our rests in groups of 2. 1, 2, 9, go. Rest, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, go. "25. 1, 2. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2. At this point in the song is the word fine. Did you notice at the end of measure 40 the word fine? That's where the song will eventually end. And that's the final part of the song. But there's still more music to play, so let's continue on, and let's go from measure 41 to measure 57. Here we go, counting our rests in groups of 2. 1, 2, 41, go. Rest, rest, rest. Rest, 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 rest. Rest. And stop. Let's go back to that section at 49, and let's do that again. We'll start at 49, and this time, let's see if we can go all the way down to the end of the sheet music. So we're going to play the last 3 lines of music. Don't forget your flam notes. 1, 2, 49, ready, drum. Rest. 1, 2, rest. Rest. 1, 2, rest. And stop. The song doesn't necessarily stop there because of the DC al fine. Remember, DC al fine means to go back to the beginning, continue, and go down to the word fine. Remember, we saw that in measure 40. Now, I do want to do one section again. I want to do this section at 57 and 65. Let's get some more practice with those last 2 lines and our flams. 1, 2, 57, ready, go. 1, 2, rest. Rest. 1, 2, rest. Great. When you're playing, remember to connect the last note of the bottom of the page, the last note of our sheet music, connect that right back to the top of the page so you can pretend or you can perform the D, C al fine correctly. We'll be connecting the end of the sheet music right back to the beginning. All right, now it's your turn to practice a little bit more on Mount Rushmore March and make it as perfect and as just as accurate as you possibly can. And until I see you next time, keep practicing.